Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to upload the ISO file of Windows Server 2019 and the Windows Client Machine 10 ISO file on ESXi. So why we needed this ISO file? We need this file to create virtual machine and vCenter. Okay, so let's get started. Of course, you should have the ISO file to upload in vCenter, or I can say in ESXi. Really, whatever you are uploading, it should upload inside ESXi only. The vCenter just the configuration tool, the monitoring tool, or I can say the administration tool for ESXi. Okay, so let's get started. I have the ISO file which we are going to upload, Windows 10 ISO file and the server 2019. Okay, so what we need to upload, one thing you can do is you can do it from the vCenter, you can do it from the ESXi while logging into the ESXi, but I really do not recommend it that because maximum time it's getting failed. Okay, so I'm using always WinSCP to upload the file in ESXi server. Okay, so let's open it. You can download WinSCP, it's free of cost. You really don't have to be pay anything for it. Okay, host name, you need to put the IP address of your ESXi, that is 10.10.10.203. make sure we are putting the right address. How we will find, okay, 203 is the IP address of ESXi. Come on. Okay, username is root and the password which we have set up. Login. Refused. Okay, we need to enable the connection SSH, okay, for it to use this application. Okay, I'll go here. It's better to come this error message. Okay, so click on F2 to customize, put the password, and we need to disable SSH. Where it is troubleshooting option, it should be there. Enable. Right now it is enabled. Okay, press escape button, escape again. I wanted to go again over there. Let me try to log in if it was saved. Yes, done. Now we are connected to ESXi host. Okay, now I need to go into the file system, so that is VMFS, the device, not the device, go back, VMS volumes, Datastore 1. I'll confirm again if the name is same. Okay, we make sure we are moving into right folder. Okay, vCenter, here is the data tab, and yeah, Datastore 1 which we are looking for, and we need to create a folder over there. As I mentioned earlier that you would able to upload the files here also, but most of the times it's getting failed and the transfer rate seems to be slow. Okay, because we really don't have 1 TB or 10 GB LAN card. Okay, that's what. So if you want to create folder, you can also create over here. Right click, new folder, and the ISO files. You can do it from here, you can do it from there, that is same thing. Okay, let's come over here. I'll go back one step again, and you can see there should be go back, volume, Datastore 1. Why I'm not seeing that ISO file? Let me close it. Yes, and I'll connect that ESXi server again. Okay, no, I need to put the site again, 10.10.203. please bear with me, it's really important to keep watching it. You need to understand these things. Login, I logged in, VMS volumes, Datastore. Okay, now I can see the ISO file. Okay, open it, and I'll go to my directory, that is Citrix lab prod ISO files. Now I want to upload this file. Okay, right click, upload. Okay. We also need to upload this server 2019 as well. Okay, so you can see the transfer rate is 78 Mbps per second, so it will not take longer time. The both ISO file size is 4.4 GB. Okay, so another 2 minutes. I will not stop the video, just keep watching how it's getting uploaded. Okay, even you would able to see that once it is uploaded over here on the vCenter. Okay, come here, vCenter, the file is not okay. Now you can see, right? So still it is uploading. Done. Okay, now you have Windows 10 file. Now we will upload the 2019 as well. Right click, upload. Okay, so another method was uploading ISO file in ESXi, that you need to enter the ESXi host name, and from there you can able to upload. But again, as I mentioned earlier, that is not good practice to upload. Sometime it says completed, and while creating a virtual machine, it shows some type of error message that this file is not valid or something. So better to use this SAP tool, okay, WinSAP, and upload the ISO file whatever you required. Okay, so I'll go once again in vCenter, and I'll show you how you can log in into the ESXi using the ESXi IP address 10.203. okay, continue, and the same ID and the password. I'm logged in. And I'll go to storage. I will open this storage. I'll go to data browser, ISO files. Okay, from here also you can able to upload the files, but as I mentioned earlier, it is not recommended. Okay, click on upload, you can browse the file, and you would able to upload the ISO file from here as well. So as I mentioned that it's getting failed because the network adapter should be strong. I really do have simple PC, just 1 Gbps, so I mentioned 10 Gbps should be required to upload the file correctly. So we are using SAP application, WinSAP application, to uploading the ISO file. Okay, so both files are uploaded. Now we are good to create what? VMs, the virtual machine. Thank you very much for watching this. Let's see you next video.